Hi, Crystal here from Heeman. We get a lot of questions about perennials, and these are a great investment for your gardens because they come back year after year, but sometimes that means you have to do a little bit of maintenance. So how do you divide a perennial? Things like hostas, daylilies, those are things that might start to die in the middle, or they might just get too big for the space you put them in. So let's head up to the display hill and I'll show you how simple it is to divide your perennials.
Today we're going to be dividing some of these overgrown hostas. Because this is a fall division, I'll go in and clean up some of these leaves just so I can see what I'm doing. You can skip this into spring division. Examine the plant so you can make a plan on where you're actually going to do your cuts. With a shovel or a fork, dig around the drip line of your plant, lifting the roots slightly as you move your way around. Once you have it out of the ground, it's a good idea to check those root systems to see if there's anything rotting that you need to pull away. For the actual division, you can use your hands, a shovel, or a garden knife. If you're using your hands, you just take a little piece of the plant and tease apart the root system. If the roots are too fibrous and tough to use your hands, just use your knife and go in and make a cut. You can also use your shovel to push straight down to get your divisions. Most plants are pretty hardy, so you don't need to be nervous about making these cuts. Just jump right in. It's time to replant or share with a friend. Make sure that you dig your new hole big enough and your plant will sit at the same level as it was. Do not bury your plant too deep. If you're going to be amending your soil, now is the perfect time to do that.
If you're looking for more information, more detailed steps on how to divide your perennials, you can check out our garden guide, which is currently on heeman.ca, called How to Divide Perennials.